Are you on the hunt for the best cakes in Peterborough? Well, look no further, because Ab's Cake Delights is the place to be. This charming bakery, nestled in Fengate near the recycling center, has been delighting cake lovers with extraordinary creations that not only look stunning but taste divine. What sets them apart? It's their unmatched custom cake creations. Whether it's a birthday, wedding, or baby shower, they can transform your vision into edible art that tells a story. And guess what? They use only premium ingredients, so every bite is a flavor explosion. Plus, if you have dietary restrictions, you're in luck. Their eggless and dairy-free options are so good, you'll never guess their special recipes. Ab's Cake Delights also offers exceptional value with the best prices in town and hassle-free parking. So why settle for anything less? If you're ready to elevate your celebration, head to Ab's Cake Delights today and treat yourself to the sweetest experience in Peterborough.